What if a simple software update, something your phone asks you to install all the time, could suddenly turn your device into a completely dead brick? No warning, no error message, no way to turn it back on. Recently, some users reported a frightening issue after installing a system update on their OnePlus devices. Everything seemed normal at first. The update downloaded, the installation started, the phone restarted like usual, but then nothing. The screen stayed black. No vibration, no logo, no recovery mode. To the user, it looked like the phone had simply died. And that's what made this situation so scary. Because software updates are supposed to do the opposite. They're meant to improve performance, fix bugs, add features, and strengthen security, not destroy your device. So what actually happened? In rare situations, a failed or corrupted system update can interrupt critical system files during installation. When your phone updates, it doesn't just add new features, it replaces core parts of the operating system. Think of it like renovating the foundation of a house while you're still living inside. If the process is interrupted at the wrong moment, the system may not be able to start at all. Several things can cause this. A low battery that runs out mid-update, an unstable internet connection that corrupts downloaded files, a system bug in the update itself, or even unexpected hardware conflicts. Most of the time, updates work perfectly. Millions of phones update every day without any issue. But in rare cases, like the reports we've seen, things can go very wrong. And that's why smart users don't rush to install major updates the moment they appear. They prepare first. Here's how you can protect your phone before installing any major software update. First, never update immediately on day one. This is probably the most important rule. When a new update is released, early adopters become unintentional testers. If there's a serious bug, they'll discover it first. So instead of rushing, wait at least 3 to 5 days. Check tech forums, user comments, social media discussions, or community groups. If there's a widespread issue, you'll see people talking about it quickly. Waiting a few days can literally save your device. Second, always check your battery level. Never start a major update with a low battery. Experts recommend at least 50 to 70% charge. Even better, keep your phone plugged into a charger during the entire update process. Because if your phone loses power while installing critical system files, it may fail to boot afterward. And recovering from that can be very difficult. Always use a stable Wi-Fi connection. Avoid updating using weak mobile data signals. Interrupted downloads can lead to corrupted installation files. And once a corrupted update begins installing, it can damage the operating system. A strong, stable Wi-Fi connection ensures the update files are downloaded completely and correctly. Fourth, always back up your data before major updates. This step is often ignored until it's too late. Before installing an update, take a few minutes to back up your photos, your important documents, and any files you don't want to lose. You can use cloud backup services or local storage options. Even if something goes wrong, your personal data will remain safe. And finally, know your recovery options. If your phone ever fails to boot after an update, don't panic immediately. Try a forced restart using the power and volume button combination. Check official recovery tools provided by the manufacturer. Many brands offer software that can reinstall the system. And if needed, contact an authorized service center for professional repair. In many cases, update failures can still be fixed, but prevention is always easier than recovery. The key lesson here is simple. Updates are important. They keep your device secure and up to date. But installing them blindly and immediately isn't always the smartest move. A little patience, a few minutes of preparation, and basic precautions can save you from losing a device that costs hundreds of dollars. So next time your phone shows that tempting Update Now button, first prepare, then update safely. Because sometimes one small mistake can turn a simple update into a very expensive problem. And if you want more quick tech alerts, safety tips, and hidden digital risks explained in simple ways, stay tuned, because in today's digital world, Awareness is your best protection.